Hi everyone, Saki here and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know I did change my hair. I'm actually in the process of changing it. I'm not quite sure how I want it to look, but right now I think it's a little bit too dark for me. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I'm trying to go back to like a lighter like blonde shade, but yeah, I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Anyways, in today's video, I am unboxing the new item that I picked up from Hermes. I did tease it in my last Hermes Journey video / unboxing of my mom's Kelly pochette, so you guys might already know or have an idea of what this is, but I think this item will surprise so many of you. I also wanted to talk a little bit about like some of the items that I wanted to buy from Hermes, so I'm also doing like my Hermes wish list. It's not very long because I just don't like too many things from the brand. I'm really picky with colors, and there's only like 2 colors from the brand that I really like, and the items in these colors are very hard to get, so that is why my wish list is very small. But anyways, before we get started, I just wanted to say if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Saki. I upload videos twice a week all about luxury, so if that's your cup of tea as well, please hit that subscribe button down below before you go. Alright, so let's just start with the unboxing first, because I know that's what you guys are here for. So, it comes in this box right here. If you're familiar with Hermes, you might already know what this is, because I do think these like have specific boxes or whatever. So the story behind this is that I actually ordered it a long time ago, but one of the parts that I wanted for the item had to be ordered, like special ordered directly from Paris, and my SA was kind enough to do that for me, and it just came in. It actually came in a couple of weeks ago, but I've been doing a lot of traveling, so I haven't been able to actually go to the store to pick it up. So here I have to reveal to you my new Hermes. What? Oh my gosh, how freaking beautiful is this? I'm gonna have to zoom you guys really close to show like all of the details of the watch and exactly why I chose it. But first, let me see. I actually haven't unboxed this since I got it. So in the box there is, oh yeah, there's one that's a manual and then one that's the guarantee. And then there's also, oh, it says the gemstone and precious metal certificate. I'll actually show you up close because there are little stones on it. All right, so I'm going to take it out of this little thingy first. So the story behind this one is that my SA actually showed me this when I went in stores one day, but only like through a picture. And so I said that I really loved it, and he ordered me one, but then it only came with like the single strap. So this is called the double tour strap because it wraps around your wrist twice, which is the one that I had originally wanted just because I really love that look. I already have an Hermes bracelet that is like the double wrapped look, or the double tour as it's called, and I don't know, just something about that style really drew me in. I think it's really unique and super pretty. So that's why I had to wait a little bit, is because he had to order this like double tour from Paris. So the color that I chose is in Rose Sakura, of course, and it is in the Swift leather. Just looks like this on the back. Now I'm gonna try to zoom you guys in so you can see what the face looks like. So as you can see, it is like pearly in the background. Actually, I don't know if you can see that, but it is pearly in the background. And then there are also like these small gemstones everywhere. There's some on the like sides and then some on the face as well, and they are pink and white. How pretty is that? Now, it is in silver hardware, which most of you will know I don't normally wear silver hardware, but I think that silver goes really pretty with the Rose Sakura, and I'm pretty sure I've said this before also. Like, my dream is to have a Rose Sakura Birkin with gold hardware, but I wouldn't be like adverse to having it in silver hardware, especially if I was able to buy it in the store. I just think that these 2 shades look really pretty together, and I also think it's because the Rose Sakura is more of like a white pink shade, so I think that's why it goes really well with silver. Anyway, so I'll put it on for you guys to see. Now, Hermes sizes work, actually I don't really know how they work, but they're called like T1, T2, and T3, and my size is T2, I believe, which is the one in the middle. So this is what it looks like on me. Oh, it's so cute. I love it so, so much. Now, like I was saying, I do really like the double strap, but I'm really thinking of going back and maybe just buying the single strap as well for the days where I want something a little bit more simple. But I just love the way that this looks. I don't know like how to describe it, but I just think that it's a little bit more unique than your like average jewelry piece or watch or whatever. So I think that's why I really, really like it. Sorry, I'm like trying to show you guys, but like my arm doesn't know where to go. But yeah, here it is. What do you guys think of this piece? I love it so, so much. And you know, it was kind of expensive, but I don't have anything like this in my collection. And I really do think that I will wear it a lot, especially because I feel like you can wear it, you know, formally or casually. And I think also when I do, or if I do buy the single strap as well, it'll even be more versatile. The strap is really, really easy to change out as well. It's just got two little knobs like right on the strap behind here, and you just push them through and you're able to change the straps. So even if I did want another color like, I don't know, beige or gold or something, it would be very easy to change that out. Now I will have to say though, Hermes is really funny in the way that you have to pay for literally everything. So I had to pay for the face, like the main piece, and then I had to pay for the straps, and then I had to pay for this buckle, which I don't get, but alright. Maybe it's so that if you are, you know, just buying the individual pieces, you can interchange them easily, but I think it's just really strange that you have to pay for the buckle as well, but whatever, that's just how it is. Alright, so that was it for my unboxing. Now let's talk about the couple of items I still do want to get. Like I said, this list is not very long, but there's actually another bracelet that I really want to get. It is called the Click a No. I think that's what it's called. Hold on, let me pull it up on my phone. I feel like I'm really good with like French names and stuff, like especially when it comes to Louis Vuitton, but then for Hermes, I just can't pronounce like anything. Yeah, so it is called the Click a No bracelet. It looks like the Click H bracelet, but instead of the H, it's got like a little circle in the middle. I think it's really, really cute. I actually saw this one in stores, and it does come in store right now in the color Rose Jerky. I'm looking at the one in Rose Jerky and in Rose Gold Hardware. I just think that looks really, really awesome. It is very similar to the bracelet that I already have, but instead of leather, it's that enamel with like the metal or whatever. So I really like that one. I also do want a Click H bracelet. My mom and I bought a Click H bracelet together, but she's been wearing it for the most part, so I want one of my own. However, she has hers in Rose Jerky, but I want mine in the slightly darker pink. I found one online from Fashion File that is the exact color that I want, but it's in like the thicker band, which I don't like. So I might try to find this color. It's called Rose Nakara. I don't know how to pronounce any of these stuff. That does not even sound remotely familiar to me, but I feel like I've seen this color somewhere before. Anyways, it is just like the darker pink, kind of more of a pink like this Gucci Jackie that I just got. So yeah, so that is definitely on my wish list as well, those two bracelets. And then I was also looking at another bracelet. I know, I don't even really wear bracelets or anything, but I just really like the way that these look, and I have been wearing a little bit more jewelry lately, and I just love the way that they incorporate pink in their bracelets, if that makes sense. So the other one that I want, it's actually on the Fashion File website, but my essay does have one in store. It is the Matte Alligator Collier de Chien CDC bracelet. Sorry, butchered that. But it's just like the really thick one with the circle in the middle. So it looks like the one that I already have, but it's like thicker and it's only one like band. I tried this on in store and I really love the color. It's in the 5P pink with gold hardware. I really liked like the color and the color combination and everything. The only thing is that I thought it was maybe a little bit too chunky on my wrist, but then again, that day I was actually wearing long sleeves, so I feel like if I was wearing something like this, or you know, for the summer, something short sleeved or without sleeves, I think it would look really awesome. I just felt like because I was wearing the sleeves and the bracelet came up to like about here on my wrist, it just looked a little bit too like bulky and chunky. So maybe I'll go in and try it again when I'm wearing something a little bit more summery, see how it looks on me. I know that this is like really chunky, but I feel like, you know, my style has gotten a little bit more edgy lately, as I've mentioned in a couple of my videos, and as you can see probably on my Instagram. So I do feel like this is one of those things that's like it's edgy, but at the same time, it's like cute and classy. And also, of course, I really love the pink and gold together. So that is kind of why it's on my wish list, but it's very, very expensive for a bracelet, especially because it's in the croc leather. So I'm not sure if I'm actually gonna go for it, but like I said, my essay actually has 2 in store, so I might go on and try it again and see if I change my mind, but that will be on my wish list for now. And then the last thing on my wish list is actually a bag, and it's not like a Birkin or Kelly or anything. You guys already know like my story and wish list with that, but I went in store the other day and my essay actually brought out a Picotin. Now it was in I think it was in a black color. And I've never really cared about the Picotin before, but I actually tried it on and I really, really liked the way that it looked, even if it wasn't in the color that I like. It seemed like a really functional bag, and I've been seeing it on channels like Mel and Melbourne, and she really likes hers. The one that I looked at is the mini size. I know that they have like different numbered sizes, but I can't remember for the life of me. But it is like the mini size, and my essay was looking up on the system whether they had it in rose sakura, and it does exist. It's got silver hardware, but the only hardware on the Picotin is like the little tiny lock. I think that like even with the bags, especially the ones that are becoming more popular like the Lindy and the Picotin, it is still very hard to get, and especially in the rose sakura color, which everybody and their mother seems to want now. Like, when did pink become such a popular color? I feel like I was getting, not hate on my channel, but people were calling me crazy not too long ago about having all pink bags, and now everybody is obsessed with pink. Like, what is this? But anyways, yeah, so I feel like anything rose sakura is going to be really, really hard to get just because everybody is so obsessed with pink nowadays, and that is just the perfect shade of pink, so I don't personally blame them, but that is definitely on my wish list. I think I also really want it more since I've used my Jackie bag, and it's kind of like the same style of bag, in which, I mean, it's got a similar like handle for it, and it's also like an open bag kind of like this one, and it's been so easy to use this Jackie bag. I literally use it all the time since I've gotten it, and it's just so easy to get your things in and out because you don't have to fuss with the zipper or a clasp. There is this clasp, but it's very, very easy to take on and off, and I usually just leave it off anyway when I'm, you know, carrying it. So yeah, just easy, carefree bags like that I never really looked at before, but now that I'm really discovering how functional these are, I'm starting to like them. So yeah, I think the Picotin and the Rose Sakura color is definitely my favorite. I actually wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about the Rose Confetti color because that is the other color that I've really liked from Hermes. And it is this color that my Kelly 28 is in. However, I've actually seen a couple of other things in store that are in this color, and this color changes so much with like the different leathers it comes in, and I'm actually very, very picky about that, so I don't like it in most of the other leathers. I feel like it just looks a little bit too dark and bright at the same time. I don't know, it just doesn't have this like softer pink hue that it does when it comes in Epsom. So the one other thing, oh, I forgot, there is actually one other thing that I do want to buy, and it is in the Rose Confetti color. It's the compact wallet. It's called the Bean. I don't know what it's called. I'll leave a picture up here for you guys to see. I have seen it on the internet a couple of times, and I've also seen it in store, but never in the color that I want. But I do believe that it also comes in Epsom leather, so I do think that I will like it in the Rose Confetti color, but it also does come in silver hardware sometimes, and I actually don't really like the Rose Confetti color with silver hardware. I feel like this pink is more of like an orangey warm pink, so when it is with silver, it just looks really, really weird. So yeah, that will probably be hard to find as well, but that is also definitely on my wish list. I just like how this wallet looks like a mini book. I don't know why. I like things shaped like envelopes and books. That's just one of my little quirks, I guess. So that is why that wallet specifically is on my wish list, but who knows if I'm ever gonna have the chance to get it. Gosh, I'm so picky with my pinks, it's ridiculous, but you know, I don't mind. I would rather pay for something that I really, really like than, you know, just buy something that I kind of like and ultimately will be unhappy with. Alright, so that is the end of my wish list. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think of my new piece. And if you have anything on your Hermes wish list as well, if you have any questions for me, please leave them down in the comment section down below as well. Oh, and I did want to mention, I know that it's June now, but I actually don't have a giveaway to announce for you guys yet. I'm actually working on securing something for you at the moment, but it hasn't been secured yet, so I don't want to like announce it without me actually having the item with me. So I will say that I will probably announce it in the next video, which is coming on Sunday, and you can still enter your comment in this video as well once I have like decided what the giveaway is. So yeah, don't forget to come back to this video after I have announced the giveaway. The winner of the May giveaway should have already been announced yesterday, so please go check out the community post if you want to see who won the Hermes perfume. And yeah, that is all for my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye!
I told you I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours. So why you trying to hold on?